Good afternoon, everyone. So thank you for joining us today. Can you all hear me? So if there's no audio, please let me know. And today we'll briefly talk about uh, battery manufacturing. So okay. So as we know, EV car are getting more and more popular. So today we can discuss that about what Balluff can offer in our battery plant. So great. So let's start today's short webinar regarding battery manufacturing. So Balluff is a sensor company, so we're able to offer multiple type of sensors, networking technology for unmatched quality and also performance. So what Balluff can bring to your benefits? Balluff, we are a family business, operate more than 100 years since 1921. So we have more than 30,000 customers and partners worldwide. And we have our parents in more than 60 countries with our own subsidiaries and numerous representatives. So we have 7 production plants and 3,900 employees worldwide. So our founder, Balluff, founds the company as a mechanical repair workshop. And in 1956, we entered into sensor technology. We developed our portfolio, and then we venture into automation factory. So we founded our first foreign subsidiaries in 1971, and then we continued with our development at 2021 to meet the customer needs. Our vision is to bring our passion for industrial automation to our customers to have a successful future. Our mission is to improve and innovate solution. We improve our competitiveness and our position with our customer with speeds and results. So we have 38 subsidiaries over the world, and we have further representative in 68 countries. So in 1980s, we started our subsidiaries in Asia Pacific. We started with joint venture with Japan, and then in 2003, we started our own subsidiary in China, and we progressed to have our subsidiaries in Singapore at 2012, and further we developed our own subsidiaries in 2020 in Malaysia. So this is our presence in different segments in market. So we have our presence in automotive, assembly system, robotics and automation, batteries, which today we would like to talk about, energy, semiconductors and electronics, packaging, food and beverage, metalworking and metallurgy. So we have sensors, industrial networking, RFIDs, human machine interface, machine visions, and optical identification, power supplies, connectivities, accessories, software, and system solutions. So we able to continuous involve with development with customers, interactive project progress with frequent deliveries of operable intermediate result. We able to provide customized solution to our customers. Let's say customers they have a very special application. We can propose some solutions to customers, and we have 24/7 account management, and also technical assistance. Let's say customer has some problems during their operation. So this is our customers. VW Volkswagen Group is one of our major customers. Same with Audi's, Bosch, Mercedes-Benz, Continental's tires. Tesla is also one of our biggest one of our customers. Gobelco's and many more. So today we would like to talk about battery manufacturing with IO-Link. So as EVs are getting popular, as we know, transporting batteries for EV cars are quite dangerous. Let's say we transport by plane, it might combust, and maybe it will be very dangerous. So transporting batteries are very critical. So the future is we will the major players will develop their factories in most part of the world so that they can easily spread the demands of EV batteries across the world. So we are embracing the shift to sustainable battery manufacturing. So with rapid growth of electric vehicles market, we have huge demand for high capacity batteries. Large scale batteries production as keys and importance of automation, quality, and efficiencies in battery manufacturing. So what we able to bring to battery manufacturing? So first, Balluff, we have our quality assurance, we have precise measurements, resource efficiencies, real-time manufacturing, streamlined communication, predictive maintenance, minimizing downtime, seamless sensors integration, easy machinery retrofits. This is what we can bring to the customers and what are the customer demands from us. So with also IIoT, the information for the sensors can be sent via gateways to PLCs and even servers. So with the IIoT, this can be unlocked. So benefits for IO-Link in a glance, we can see that we can speed up the installation times, ensure max OEE, we can reduce cost of wiring and also hardware, and also enables predictive maintenance. So this is what Balluff able to provide in our IO-Link portfolio. So we have I/O modules, RFID, smart lights, inductive couplers, sensors, cables, and even power supplies. So today I would like to talk about or even introduce you to our new line of IO-Link masters. So we have new black line, silver line, wash down, and even safety. So we will talk about the new black line series that we have already in our website. So you can have it. After this, maybe you can have a look on our new products. So with our new black line series, we have our entry level, standard level, and even advanced level. These are a few of the differences that you can have a glance. So entry, of course, this is for connection of IO-Link sensors. So they give the best value. Standard, they can cope with wide range of the requirements, but also retains the value competitiveness. And advanced, of course, we bring up our most features in our advanced master. So these are our new Balluff IO-Link masters. So we we are having multi protocols with Profinet, Ethernet, IP, EtherCAT. So the connection, the power cables are M12 L-coded with maximum up to 16 amps. And we have two different types, IO-Link port class A and also class B. We have IoT support such as REST API, MQTT parsing. MQTT parsing available in our advanced class of IO-Link masters. So these IO-Link masters can be configured and they are very easy to use. So those which have tried with our previous generation of multi-protocols IO-Link masters, they were able to get used to it very fast. So in advanced classes, advanced master hub, the maximum currents are 4 amp per pin. So they can use as an output to power or to trigger high current actuators. And they come with robust design, robust housing with IP67, and they're also able to withstand a wide range of temperatures. So in battery manufacturing, copper and zinc free are very critical in the process. So we have copper and zinc free portfolios for specially designed for battery manufacturing. Why is it? So copper and zinc, let's say if contaminated with their chemicals, will cause some cause puncture in their diaphragm, and then will cause uncontrollable fire. So the copper and zinc free is quite critical in the battery manufacturing plant. So with copper and zinc free portfolio, we have BNI. BNI is our master hub. So master hub and IO-Link modules. So we can utilize the advantages of IO-Link completely, include a list of masters and modules, easy installation for the commissioning and also the plant operators, cost saving maintenance, thanks to optimal diagnostic. So beside the IO-Link masters and IO hubs, we also have copper and zinc free RFID system. So we able to do track and trace for the whole battery manufacturing process. Include our RFID include HF and ultra high frequency in read and write heads with our processor units. Also, we are able to provide signals as in bus interface as well as Profinet. And then all these RFID read and write heads come with a high IP rating. So IP 67, 68, 69K, and then they are able to use in harsh environments. So beside RFID, we are able to provide our inductive sensors in stainless steel housing. Why is it stainless steel housing? Because it's copper and zinc free. And the stainless steel housing is very resistant materials. They're able to use in harsh environments. So they are ideal for object detection in battery manufacturing, cylindrical design, and also square design. The inductive sensors come with plugs or even cables connection. So they have M5 connectors, M8 connectors, and also M12 connectors. So beside inductive sensors, we have also our cables. So these cables are also copper and zinc free in the connector side. So connecting these cables can connect all levels of your automation system. Last selection of plugs and connectors, reliable connection from the sensors to IO-Link masters, and then from IO-Link masters to your PLC and even to your SCADA. And they provide a robust industrial grade with proven qualities. So now we talk a bit on the battery manufacturing and the steps. So here are the overall process of the battery. So there is slurry mixing, electrode manufacturing, coating and drying, calendaring, cell assembly, notching, stacking, module and pack assembly, as well as aging, cell mixing, cell finishing, and formation. So slurry mixing process. These slurry mixings are very critical where different type of chemicals are combined together to create electrodes for the battery. So we need to have a optimized slurry mixing process. We can do it with IO-Link. So we able to monitor the mixer condition. So mixer come with motor. We can use our BCM sensors, which is our vibration sensors, to monitor the mixing conditions. We measure tank levels with our ultrasonic sensors. So the level sensors do not need to be in contact with the slurry, and we able to monitor the temperatures as well as pressure with our temperature sensor, BFT, and also BST pressure sensors. So right sensors are needed to be used in order to optimize and create a advantage for us in our battery manufacturing. So next we go to coating and drying process. So IO-Link as a gateway are cost-effective materials for tracking and monitoring. So we need to make sure the film are coated with enough slurries to maximize the output of the battery. So the process are very critical. So we need to track all the processes, all the data. So we can do this with our again IO-Link system. So IO-Link system, we can connect to a RFID, and then this RFID will will read and write all the important data to the tag. And this data will be transferred to a server for data management, for tracking purpose. And also we have our health exhaust fan health condition monitoring with our BCM, as well as humidity monitoring, ambient pressure monitoring with our vibration sensors. So this can be done using BCM, our vibration sensor, and CMTK. And then we can do some visualizing. Is it the machine in normal operating mode with our smart light, or we call it step light. So this step light will require IO-Link. So you operators can far away visualize what are the status of the machine. Is it normally operating, or is it having errors? So we can easily visualize this. So calendaring process. So this is where the row is ensured to have consistent electrode thickness and qualities. And then this can be done using IO-Link to help monitors and adjust the parameters in real time. So this is again to make sure all the films are coated with the correct amount of chemicals, the black color parts. So this will ensure a higher output of batteries quality. So we have BGD sensors, which are our format changeover sensors. We have our, again, smart lights as a visual and acoustic monitoring of the machine. We again have IO-Link and RFID for real-time transmission of sensor data. And we have special inductive position sensors to precise control the roller position. So we have now we enter traceable and digitized notching process. So here we have RFID system to make sure it records or differentiate different batch of batteries. So in this notching process, we ensure that each electrode is accurately formed and each tool is properly tracked. So by using RFID, we can identify different tools that is being used. Is it the tool is still in good condition? And ensure this can be done with our tool identification with our RFID system. So correct tools is always loaded, always used, and then the tools are in good condition. And then tool position. So we need to know where to cut the film. So with our magnetostrictive position sensors, we can easily monitor the position of the tool to precisely cut the film and then turn it, package it to a battery cell. So sensors in self-assembly. So we have, again, with our position sensor, magnetostricity sensors, we able to monitor the welding position. So these battery cells are welded together instead of soldered. So spot welding are critical. So we need to ensure tool position are correct with our magnetostrictive sensors. So position sensors, we use fault sensors where the fault sensors need to be small in size so that they can fit into a tight space. And then some of the cells are barcode, so they have barcode on them. So we able to provide our code readers and then position the products, the cell itself can be reliably detected with components with photoelectric sensors. So with this, we able to ensure maximum precision in cells aging. So magnetic position sensors ensure precise positioning, enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of the battery storage operation. So our magnetic sensors, linear encoders, so able to precisely provide positioning data to the PLCs. So where to cut the cell. So we have our position sensors, and then be able to measure how long the cuts need to be done. So we have also optical sensors provide reliable object detection for a stacker crane position to load and unload the pallets where the cell is kept. So depending on the use case, red light, blue light, or laser light, which we Balluff offer, are ideal for smart part detection. So optimizing material flow and intra-logistic module and package assembly line. So with this, we come to our RFID. So the module where the battery cells are finalized will be tagged with our RFID tag, and then they can easily record the batch number, the production dates, and where is it produced. So this can enable us to have good tracking of the battery cells. So with this, we enable simplified cabling, increase uptime, improve energy and efficiency. So here we come to a conclusion that we able to provide end-to-end sensor portfolios. We enable with IO-Link, we enables IoT. Also, Balluff, we are leading industrial RFID solutions. IO-Link is getting more and more popular. So with this kind of technology, we able to provide predictive edge and also condition monitorings. And then Balluff, we have decades of automotive experience, and then we can share our knowledge across our automotive and as well as battery production. So please remember us, your partners for success in automation. We are here for you, Balluff. If there is no question, then that's all for me today. Thank you again.